Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox UGCs. First, you need to understand the program's requirements, which include having a Roblox Premium subscription and a verified ID. Next, develop a unique concept for your virtual item, considering what players would enjoy. Finally, learn a three-dimensional modeling software such as Blender or Maya to bring your ideas to life. This foundational step is crucial for all aspiring creators. Once your concept is ready, it is time to design. Model your item carefully, keeping the polygon count under 4,000 triangles for optimal performance. Next, create high-quality textures using physically based rendering, or PBR, workflows to add realism and detail. Remember to ensure your item fits Roblox's avatar scaling, typically within a 4x4x4 stud bounding box, for proper in-game integration. After modeling and texturing, the next step is submission. Upload your finished model and textures directly into Roblox Studio. Configure all item properties, including a clear description and a fair price, which can range from 50 to 500 Robux. Finally, submit your item for review by the Roblox moderation team. This process typically takes a few days, but can sometimes take months, so patience is key. Once approved, it is time to promote your UGC. Share your item across social media platforms and within relevant Roblox groups to reach a wider audience. Analyze your sales data to understand player preferences and identify trends, which can inform future designs. Continuously creating new, high-quality items will help expand your catalog and increase your potential earnings over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.